Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I've been creating random stuff and just got sidetracked. So today I'm going to show you how to make two simple hidden paper clips. This kind right here, and then this one right here. What a hidden paper clip is, if you're not familiar, let me get an open page here. There's a paper clip inside here, and you can just take this ordeal and you could clip stuff underneath here, or it could just be a page marker, kind of like a pretty bookmark. And then actually, let's see if I can get it off. This little guy, it's not really hidden, but I'm obsessed with these little ones. I just think they're awesome to mark your spot where you left off. And you can even put something on the side. You could add a little tab. So I'm going to show you how to make this one, even though it's not technically hidden, but it's still a paper clip thingy. So, all right. So these are just some that I've made. These ones are not embellished, but there's a bunch more here, just showing different patterns. My one beef with this craft is that I don't know if it's the fact that I got paper clips from the Dollar Tree and they have a waxy coating on them, so this might be something you want to consider. I find that they're very bumpy, more bumpy than a regular paper clip. So I kind of stopped making these large ones and went to the smaller one because I had little paper clips that were not waxy. Anyways, so let me show you the first one. I'll show you how to make these ones first. Very, very, very easy. And you really only need your box of scraps. I mean, of course, you can embellish, afterwards, but I tend to make the body like this first and then embellish when I'm done. But however you want to do it is fine. I was sewing, so I have strings everywhere here. Leave these out. This one? No. Okay. All right. So, oh shoot. I did not bring my paper cutter, but I can use scissors for now. Okay, so how I do it, and this is no measurement at all. I'm not a measuring crafter, which I think I say every video. You're just cutting a strip of paper. You're folding it when you decide the length of the paper clip you want. I like this size because I can get away with using a smaller paper clip, like these tiny ones, because these are the ones I have, and I wasn't willing to buy more because I had two failed packages that I bought that were had the wax on it, so I was just done after that. So anyways, you fold the paper to the length that you want your paper clip to sit in on the page. So I'm gonna do a smaller one because the size of my paper clips. So I would fold like that. Now normally I would use my, my paper cutter, do a nice cut, but since it's outside right now, we're gonna do it this way, and it's the same difference. So then I would take another piece of paper, and it's already folded, but you want it to be thinner than the first piece and shorter than the first piece. So if you had this one without being folded, you would just kind of play with it. It'd be longer. You wouldn't cut it that short, but you just play with it until you see that it lands where you want it to land and it's thinner. So since I pre-cut that one, it fits perfectly. Fancy that. All right, so then I take my corner rounder. Hang on, it's got some stuff in it. And I just round these corners. This is not necessary. This is just a preference. Just makes it kind of look, I guess, I don't know, clean. I gotta get this. I suppose I could have done this first, but all right. So make sure you have a nice crease. Let's see. Then you're gonna take your paper clip. You're gonna put your paper clip in the middle of the first piece. It doesn't matter which way. I mean, it clips either way. I usually put the small piece in the back like that. I have no idea if that's the preferred way to do it, but that's what works for me. I take this piece and I glue it up all on one side. You can glue both sides, you really don't need to. I use our glitter glue because it's a very strong hold. And you're just taking this piece, putting it back in the center like you cut it, how you cut it, and then you're just gluing it down. You kind of make sure you get it real glued around the paper clip. And I'm telling you, that is it. The next thing you could do would be ink the edges and decorate. That is absolutely it for that one. I can do one more just to show. So I have this one pre-cut for my bottom one. So it was about that length. I inked it. Now the longer paper clips, if your paper clip, I don't know the dimensions, but the longer the paper clip or the piece of paper, the bigger the paper clip you want. Because it's, I don't know the science, but that's just what you're supposed to do, I guess. Well, so it can reach the stuff that you're clipping under, you know, common sense. So let me see, what am I doing here? I feel lost without my paper cutter. And the tripod I ordered to keep this table stable, not gonna work. Just an FYI. Because it doesn't have any flexibility in the head, so it will only really take videos straight on. So, yep, that won't work. It won't go over my table. Oh, look at that. So again, you're just taking the second piece, if it was a long piece, finding where it hits. This is not, you know, science. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just the look you want it to have, the length and the width. I have seen videos. I got inspiration for this one from, I believe, Treasure Books, but she does sometimes 3 layers, which you could do that. I didn't get that ambitious, but you could do another thin one here. So now, oh gosh, my paper clips are stuck. Hang on, folks. All right. Oops. Paper clip. Glue the bottom, or one of the sides. I glue the one that goes on. I'm sorry, I glue both. Okay, I was thinking of a different craft that I was working on today. I snorted. All right, so you're gluing that one down. My fingers are not clean because I was stamping earlier. All right. Yep, I got black on that from my stamped fingers. Okay, so that is it. That is for that paper clip. The larger one, I guess, versus the one I'm going to show you in a second. So, there. So you could put like, see, like a piece of paper. It holds something down. Nifty. All right. Let's do the one that I love, and is just as easy. Well, yes, it should be. All right. Okay. So, move those. So this one, this is just my method. You could do it any way you want. I use my square puncher and made squares. I think I made this one up. I'm not sure. And then I just round the corners. Again, you don't have to round them at all. This is just my method. And you only need 2 pieces for this one. This is just to make another one. I just love these little tabby small ones. All right. So then take a paper clip if I can get them undone. Let's find one that's easier. Let me remember how I did this. Okay. So the white is on the inside if it's not double-sided. I just put my paper clip Actually, let's try this side way. No, I don't like that. All right. Put the paper clip on it. Glue this one. And then you're gluing them together. I don't know if I got that. Yeah. And you make sure you push down a lot by the paper clip. And there you have a little cute tab. Of course, you could decorate these, make up this concept larger, and add things, you know, butterflies and fussy cut stuff. But I just like the little tab because I think it's awesome for marking my spot because I'm always trying to get to my spot. So, yeah. And then here's that flower one. You can put it on, oops. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna like this fabric page, not really. Okay. I don't know. It's nothing crazy special, but it's like a nice little mini bookmark. Okay. So then after you're done putting them together, you just decorate however you would like. These are just things I cut out, stamped, and added. Oh, here's one too. All right. So I hope you enjoy making some hidden paper clips and send them to all your friends. And I will be seeing you guys soon because I have 2 things I am waiting to film that I'm super excited to show you how to do. All right. See you later.